Today we are going to see what is linear pattern in 3D model, or how to sketch or multiply any hole or anything with the help of linear pattern. So this model we created in our last lecture. Now we will make multiple holes with the help of linear pattern. So first we have to create one hole here, so we will directly select from hole wizard. Choose this hole, select OK, drill size, isometric size, it's up to you. We will keep let's say 12 mm, and end condition select through all. Go to position and select one position. OK, select OK here. See, one hole is created throughout hole. Now we will see how to use linear sketch pattern. So just open this linear sketch pattern window and see here linear pattern, or you can directly select linear pattern. Now in upper direction it is asking direction, so first you have to select X, Y, Z, any direction. So we will select this direction. Then you have to, then here at the end feature of pattern, you have to select what you want to make number of multiple numbers. So we have to select this hole, and here you have to make reverse direction. See, it is going in opposite direction we want here, so select opposite direction. Now here the second thing is spacing. You have to define spacing between the holes. So we make 20 mm. This is sufficient here, 20 mm. Then this is the number of instances, means number of holes or number of things, whatever you want. So just make 5 mm. This is sufficient for our model. Select OK. See, we created 5 holes with the help of linear pattern. Now again just re-edit. Or we will again choose linear sketch pattern. Now this time we will select another direction, and we will choose this hole or previous hole's linear sketch pattern. This is we created previous hole. Or you can directly select one hole, delete, and select one hole. See, it is going this direction, and you can increase the number of instances. Keep 6. Distance we already reduced. Increase 30 mm. So select OK. Now see, we created in another direction also. So just delete this, and we will use this one, edit feature. Now here we will see that we will go to direction 2, and you can choose direction 2 also. Select direction 2. OK. Now space distance we will keep 20 mm, and number of instances you have to increase whatever, increase distance 30 mm, and reduce this 6 mm. Select OK. See, we created multiple number of holes with the help of linear sketch pattern. Suppose if you want to drop or remove any one hole, so just re-edit, go to edit feature, and at the end there is one option, instances to skip. Now see the orange pink dot looking, just click on the pink dot. See, this pink dot become orange. That means it's going to be delete. Now select OK. See, we deleted many holes with the help of skip option. So this is the linear pattern, how we will make any pattern or any instant in multiple numbers. It is very easy and very useful tool in SolidWorks.